The Lost Kitten. Once upon a time, in a cozy little village, there lived a playful kitten named Whiskers. Whiskers loved to explore, but she always stayed close to her home and her family. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a butterfly, Whiskers wandered farther than usual and suddenly realized she didn't know her way back home. Feeling scared and alone, Whiskers sat down under a big oak tree and began to cry. Just then, a friendly squirrel named Sammy scurried down the tree and asked, "Why are you crying, little kitten?" Whiskers